How to move elements in Canva. So if you want to move elements in Canva, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and go with canva.com. Once you open your Canva, now you need to simply go with design. So for example, I'll be choosing a design. Once you choose the design, now here you will have the design, right? So you can simply zoom into your design. And if you want to move the elements that you have in your design, then what you need to do is simply select the element and you need to simply drag that element. Once you've dragged, you can simply drag and drop wherever you like. And in this way, you'll be able to move the text. And if you want to move this image, then again drag and drop. And you can also resize it. You can simply enlarge it or make it small. Or you can go with the right side, which has that three dots. And then you can copy style or paste that again or delete that, or you can also comment on that, or you can detach the image, or you can apply the colors to the page, or you can simply rotate that image. So here on the bottom you will have this circle or rotate option. You can simply rotate the image, or you can also rotate the text. So in this way you will be able to move elements in your Canva. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.